Think about the world without honeybee. Honeybees play a vital role in our ecosystem, serving as pollinators for a variety of plants, and producing honey, wax, and other bee products. Without honeybees, our food supply and environment would be significantly impacted. In this video, we will explore the role of honeybees, and what would happen if they were to disappear. Pollination. One of the most significant roles that honeybees play is in pollination. Bees are responsible for pollinating approximately 1/3 of the crops we consume, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Pollination is necessary for plants to reproduce, and without it, many crops would not produce fruit or seeds. Food supply. The disappearance of honeybees would have a significant impact on our food supply. Without honeybees, many crops, such as almonds, apples, avocados, blueberries, and cherries, would not be able to produce fruit. This would lead to a shortage of these foods. Ecosystem. Honeybees also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. By pollinating plants, bees help to maintain biodiversity and promote the growth of various habitats. Without bees, the environment would become less diverse, leading to a decline in the health of the ecosystem. Economic impact. The disappearance of honeybees would also have a significant economic impact. In addition to higher food prices, the loss of bees would also affect the beekeeping industry. Honey, beeswax, and other bee products are used in various industries, including cosmetics, food, and pharmaceuticals. Crop diversity. Without honeybees, many crops that rely solely on bees for pollination would decline, leading to a loss of crop diversity. This could lead to an increased dependence on a smaller number of crops, which could be vulnerable to disease or environmental changes. Food chain. Honeybees also play a crucial role in the food chain. Without bees, the populations of animals that rely on bee-pollinated plants would also decline. This could have a cascading effect on the entire ecosystem, leading to significant changes in the food chain. Health benefits. Honeybees are not just important for our food supply, but they also provide health benefits. Honey has been used for centuries for its antibacterial properties, and is used in various natural remedies. Without honeybees, the availability of these health benefits would be severely reduced. Food waste. The disappearance of honeybees could also lead to an increase in food waste. Without bees to pollinate crops, many fruits and vegetables would not be able to grow, leading to a reduction in the overall food supply. This could lead to more food waste as consumers throw away food that is not available due to the decline in honeybees. Conclusion. Honeybees play a vital role in our ecosystem, serving as pollinators for many crops, and contributing to the health of the environment. Without honeybees, our food supply, economy, and ecosystem would be significantly impacted. By taking action to protect honeybees, we can help to ensure their survival and the health of our planet. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.